So we are starting with, of course, some black pepper, some chicken stock, some red pepper flakes, salt. I have some lemons. I've got lemon zest, which you can see I've been zesting my lemons there. 2 cups of water. I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I need some oregano. And of course, I cannot forget my rice. And it has already been washed. All right, I've already mixed together the lemon juice and the chicken stock. So now I put some salt in, I put some black pepper, some oregano, and of course, some red pepper flakes to give it a little kick. Added some olive oil, some lemon zest, get our citrus going. Now this is our Mediterranean kind of feel for this dish. We're going to add some olives to it. It's going to be great. All right, it's time to add our citrusy lemon oregano mixture into the pot, and then we're going to add the rest of the chicken stock into the pot. And then it will be time to place in the chicken. Now, I have chicken breasts here, and they were kind of big, so I went ahead and cut them in half. That way it's easier to position them in the pan or in the pot. Just toss them on in here. Put each one in. We have to be able to fit the trivet in there without it touching, well, without the bottom part. We need it to be touching the pan, not touching on top of the chicken. So we'll have to move stuff around a little bit, make it fit. There it goes. And that's it. Now the chicken is in the pan. Okay, now it's time to get that trivet all ready. This is probably the trickiest part of making this dish, is making this thing fit where all the little legs of the trivet touch the bottom of the pan and it's not sitting on top of the chicken. So let's move some chicken around. And yeah, we're almost there. All right, we're good. Now get the handles up, and we're going to move this over and get the bowl ready for the rice. This is just a Pyrex bowl. I'm just going to put my already rinsed rice into the bowl, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. This is basmati rice. And now you're just going to put this in on top of the trivet. This is sort of what they call pot and pot cooking. All right, we're going to start the cooking process, so let's get this lid on. Now, we're going to set this for manual for 6 minutes. There we go. Now we're going to, when this finishes, we're going to let this do a natural release. And it's on. While the chicken and rice are cooking, I'm going to take this pita bread and toast it up so it's kind of warm for our meal. It's going to go really well with our lemon oregano chicken. Just throw it on top of your pan and throw it into the Breville. So we are going to add some arugula to our Mediterranean bowl, tzatziki sauce, some Kalamata olives, some cucumbers, feta cheese, hummus, and some tomatoes. All right, we are completely done. I am going to take out our rice, and I am oh so thankful that my metal handles are not super hot. Let me move this guy out of the way. However, the glass pan, super hot. Now let me grab a plate so I can put this chicken on the plate, and then I'm going to cut the chicken up. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh my goodness, it smells so wonderful. The thing I love most about cooking chicken in a pressure cooker or in the Mealthy Multipot is it's never dry. I never have a dry chicken in the Mealthy Multipot. Look at all those spices. Now let's fluff up the rice. Beautiful. Here is my beautiful Mediterranean bowl with my chicken and my arugula, tomatoes, feta cheese, tzatziki sauce, hummus, and olives.